Captain of the ship speaking. Assume your positions according to the combat schedule.
Establishing visual contact.
Hard, a starboard. Establish visual contact.
Captain, the target has been captured. Target hit. Fire at the enemy.
Enemy elimination confirmed.
Establishing visual contact.
That's a hit.
Keeping watch.
The target is within range. Establish visual contact.
Missile launch that target. The target destroyed. Hit confirmed. Establishing visual contact. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Target hit. Main rocket console standing by.
The enemy has been destroyed. Establish visual contact.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. That's a hit.
Enemy elimination confirmed.
Captain, the target has been captured. Target hit. Keeping watch. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Missiles ready for launch. Waiting for target designation. Missiles launched. Establishing visual contact. That's a hit.
Establish visual contact.
Keeping watch. The target is within range. Missiles launched. I see a hit on the target.
Our team has occupied the enemy base. Target destroyed.
Establishing visual contact.
Fire at will. Do not wait for command.
That's a hit.
Establish visual contact.
contact.
Ready to open fire on the enemy.
Prepare to fire. Enemy target eliminated.